Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Kool Zone. Today we are going to do something special. Today we will be making chocolate waffles. Yes, chocolate waffles. And let me tell you, folks, it is going to be amazing. I really think this is going to be a special video. I was excited putting it together. And I couldn't wait to share it with you guys. So I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. Please let me know what you think at the comment section. I love you guys. Enjoy. Kool Zone out.
My Friday chick likes to ride, hug my neck real close, she shines real bright. Daddy do what she wants, vice versa. Dooney and Burke Fendi, white Testarossa. Listen, I got a habit of spending. Mr. Jacob says she's the best one in it. So I took his advice, spit game to her. Damn, she's an investment of life. I admit she was jealous of my wife, but now she understands how addictive is the ice. So I floss with more than just her. Vera Wayne furs, watch remain bird. She keeps her word, she's always there. And I got a lot of money to spend. Here we go again, back to Jacob. Damn, look at that, 55 grand, mom, got a lot of ass. I need a flashy chick, I need a flashy chick. One that's cold on my neck and wrist. I need a flashy chick, I need a flashy chick. Cause diamonds are my best friend. I need a flashy chick, I need a flashy chick. One that's cold on my neck and wrist. I need a flashy chick, I need a flashy chick. Cause diamonds are my best friend. My Saturday chick, she likes to shop. Spend hours in the mall, yeah, she rocks round the clock. Yeah, she bad, man. She got a trillion cut headband and platinum embedded in her head, man. I keep a thing on me when we go out. Cause she's a badass chick, niggas might show out. Keep her close, grip to the wrist. Let her go, then she shopping again. Gabbana suits, not Loren. Dosey, mommy hug me closely. Yeah, I like the sparkle when you eye, and the way that you shine never make me think twice.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the finished product. And as you can see, it looks amazing. This, ladies and gentlemen, is what I call my chocolate waffles. And I just added some strawberries and some whipped cream on top. And let me tell you, folks, it is gonna be amazing. Well, folks, if you like what I've been doing and you like this video, please do subscribe to the Kool Zone. Join us as we will continue this adventure and much, much more. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Kool Zone out.